guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, well we've done the last few videos, well last 6 videos we've done has been the Crystal Barbie saga, which has been wonderful, and now we're getting down to business. So it's very exciting. Today I am introducing a brand new Glam'n'Go that is called the Bubble Cut. So I'm going to show you today. I'm going to introduce her to you. I'm very excited about this one. She's fun. She's really fun. And we're going to do a little styling on her as well. So obviously this is how you get her in the bag. How she looks like. Wigs always, you know, they're always, you know, packed as they're packed, you know what I mean? But the first thing to do, I mean, look at this. This is so cute. This is like so adorable. It's totes adorbs, babes. Is just have a little finger through. Have a look. Okay, let me put a little hairband in, and I've got a fresh blow dry. It's gonna be ruined. Okay. So let me take the tag off her. Okay, so this is the Bubble Cut in Bombshell. Now, she is based on, inspired by, copied, well, inspired by the famous Bubble Cut Barbie. Oh, we've got one. Where is she? So this is an original Bubble Cut Barbie from the 60s, the early 60s. And as you can see, she's just very cutesy. I mean, our version isn't exactly the same, but it is inspired by this. I mean, she's so glamorous. I'm not into vintage Barbies, but she's fabulous.
Not an era.
Not an era, and thank God it's not an era because they're so expensive to get. Okay, that's her. Okay, so this is the Bubble Cut inspired by Barbie. And let me put her on for you. This is just how she comes straight out of the bag. Okay. So the first thing you want to do, she's so cute, straight out of the bag, guys, is just give her a little brush and see what she looks like on your head. Now we've had a little play with these girls, and they are actually so versatile. You can do so many different cute things with them. I mean, look at this. Cutesy. But really what we want, and we'll probably just do this, just give her a little brush back. Brush it through. And we'll put it back on and have another look. Oh, girl, look at that. Now, obviously, you know, you can just wear her like that. But we will do a little style of her because I haven't actually combed one of these up yet. So I'm looking forward to seeing what we can do with it, how she looks style. So we're doing this together, guys. Oh, okay. But Nikita did have she was doing some quality controlling and she was having a look at them. Look how cute she is. Ooh, like a perfect, fabulous 60s look. If you brush her flat and you find her, like, her curl pattern, you can actually do, like, a pretty heaven finger wave. And I might do another video on that, just so we can get you can see how that works. But like, I mean, obviously that's very crude and very rushed, but we can easily get a really nice wave pattern in there. But today we're just going to do the traditional Oh, bubble cut look. Okay, so let's get on a block. I'll get off my head because I'm gonna ruin my blow dry. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I still look glamorous. Okay, let me get on a block. I really should get a new, like a nice show block, like a filming block, but I'm just using my old trusty 15-year-old block. Hey, if it's not broke. Okay, so we've got it on the block. Brush it down. Find which direction you want her in. And then we'll start to brush her up. So these, like all our Glam'n'Gos, they are designed specifically to be styled at home by you. With it, like we've done all the hard work for you. The curls there, the length is there, everything's there for you. You just have to put a bit of elbow grease in and comb them up, and they are so easy and so fabulous. No more expensive trips to the wig stylist. Okay, so I'm using just my trusty old towel brush. I do have some powder, because you know I love my powder. And a little bit of Black Death hairspray, and people ask me all the time what hairspray. I mean, I don't understand why people ask, because they can, that you've got eyes, but I just use Silhouette, the black Silhouette. I like that. But you know, use any hairspray you want. Okay, and then we're gonna go, and then we're just gonna like just start back combing. I'm gonna take a wide part. I am gonna back comb in the same way I did for my how to tease a wig tutorial when I did it on a shazza, the pull through technique, which will give us the biggest volume and the most puffiness. Okay, and then we just start. I'm gonna start from the top because it's a short wig. Bit of powder. Pull through. Really over direct the teasing as well, because you want maximum height. But to be honest, they don't need much. We've done all the hard work for you. Oh, it's so hard. Now the powder isn't necessary, the texturizing dust, but why I like the texturizing dust, which I said in my previous videos, is it just makes the back combing so much easier and just grips the hair, and you have to just, you don't need as much back combing, which means that it's better for the longevity of the wig. Now I'm gonna leave these sides until last because we want them flatter. I think once down here we don't need the powder. Okay, now we've got to the sides. Now I'm still going to do back combing because I still want it to be full, but I am just being conscious of the fact that we're going to want to comb that flatter. So you don't need too much in there. Okay, so we've got to tease it up. Look at that. Huge. Did I miss a bit? Did I miss a bit here? I did. Okay, now that we've got to this point, then I will start from the back and just slowly brush out just the top layers, just pushing them into place in the direction you want. Start to come down. Traditionally, a bubble cut has no parting. So let's go with that. I mean, the hair's got to part somewhere, so you need to sort of, you know, think about that, but it's like a rattlesnake. Okay, so I've got basically that into place in the general shape we want, which took like seconds. So now, come along, come back with your little, well, I'll use a pick, and just go through and now be even more precise with your placement. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my God. This wig could be so versatile for any, like, so many different versions of a 60s style. We're gonna be a Marilyn. Oh, little kiss curl, look at that. Ah. Now, the trickiest part for this particular style you might find is just getting that parting looking nice. Only because it shouldn't have a part. It should look like the hair just sort of sprays from all directions. So that might, like, you know, take a little bit of fiddling to get that where you want it. It kind of comes from the crown, if anything. It sort of comes from sort of this point here. But then it gets fluffed up, so it sort of, you can't see where it comes from. Okay, now let's work on the front. Okay, she's basically there. A little bit of finessing. I mean, you could even do a little on one side if you wanted, like a little flick. Look at that. But I'm gonna do mine down in a traditional bubble cut look. So obviously I could have spent a lot more time just finessing it, getting every curl right. But I really wanted to show you how easy and quick this can be to get something really fabulous with minimal effort. A completely styled wig at home, on your own, you know, self-sufficient. Look how cute she is. Okay, I'm gonna give her a spray. And as I spray her, as always, I'm gonna like, just take my hands and just help, just give the hair texture. A little bit of scrunching, pushing into place. This side's nice and flat. Oh, I wish my sides were flat, huh? Okay, a little bit of finessing at the front, just to get those little curls. But I'm going to leave it at that. She looks really, really cute. Look at her. Oh my God. Okay, let's put her on and see what she looks like. Oh. Tights at Dobbs. Look at her. Oh, she is just so adorable. Oh yeah. Yeah. She's heaven. Okay, well look at that. Fully styled wig in like 10 minutes. Well, 15 maybe. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the bubble cut. Oh. She is, oh my God, I love her. And this one's mine. You can't have her, but you can have all the other ones. We've got lots online. Well, hopefully. We put them online yesterday. They might have sold out already. Who knows? Oh my God. Okay. This is adorable. This is really cute. I'm really, really loving her. 60s glam. Like, easy. Glam'n'Go. Okay, ladies. Well, thanks for joining me on my Glam'n'Go journey. My bubble cut journey. Oh, I'm still... I don't want to take her off. She's like a beautiful helmet. She's like those ads. She's like those ads you see for wigs in the 60s. She's just perfect. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Well, thanks for joining me. If you like the video, don't forget to flick the subscribe button and like it and share it. Go online. Go to wigsbyvanity.com and buy yourself a beautiful bubble cut and live your 60s fantasy. And yeah, I think we'll do another tutorial at some point on how versatile these wigs are, because they're actually going to do quite a few things. But, you know, this is what her original intention was, her original design. So I thought it was important to share this one with you first. All right, ladies. Mwah. Love you all. Bye.
Wigs by Vanity. This is my wigs. I don't wear hair.